WayaVPN connects you to real residential networks around the world. Think T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T, and others, not data centers or shady proxies. Your traffic rides over everyday household connections for true stealth, strong privacy, and reliable access. No typical VPN blocks, no proxy style leaks, just real encryption and security. If you care about digital privacy, security, and global access for your business or freelance work, WayaVPN is the VPN you've always wanted, not just another VPN. I'm Emmanuel Corels, and in this video, I'll show you how to use WayaVPN on virtually any device with an internet connection. macOS, Linux, Android, Windows, iOS, ChromeOS, routers, network appliances, even IoT and single-board computers like the Raspberry Pi. This video assumes you already have a WayaVPN account and an active subscription. If not, you can sign up at www.wayavpn.com or download the WayaVPN app from the Google Play Store and sign up there. WayaVPN has Windows and Android apps you can get from wayavpn.com/downloads or from Google Play and use natively. But if you're on a platform that doesn't have a native WayaVPN app yet, this video is for you. WayaVPN supports the OpenVPN protocol, so you can download configuration files and import them to your device. No lengthy manual setups. There are just 3 steps you need to take, the platform regardless. The first step is to download and install the OpenVPN client for your operating system. The second is to download the OpenVPN configuration or the .ovpn file for your desired location from your WayaVPN account. And lastly, you import the config, enter your credentials, and connect. It's that simple. We'll use Ubuntu desktop for this demo. So open a terminal and run as super user sudo apt update sudo apt install OpenVPN network manager OpenVPN genome. Now what does this do? First, it installs OpenVPN, the OpenVPN engine used to make the secure connection. Then, Network Manager OpenVPN Genome. This adds OpenVPN support to Ubuntu's network settings, so you can import and toggle VPNs via the GUI or the graphic user interface. So we hit Enter. With that in place, go ahead and get your config from WayaVPN. So we go out to wayavpn.com and sign in. Head to Downloads, OpenVPN configs. Here you see your VPN username and password, expiry, and a list of several locations you can download configs for. You choose a location, for example, Canada, and click download.ovpn. Now we go to the Ubuntu desktop, open Settings, Network, VPN, click the plus sign to add a new VPN profile. Then choose Import from File. We select the OpenVPN file you just downloaded, Canada residential.ovpn. Then click Open. We'll go to Identity. For username, we copy the username from the WayaVPN dashboard and paste it here. Password, we copy from the dashboard and paste it here as well. Then click Add. That's it. You've added the Canada server. Repeat the same import for any other WayaVPN locations you use frequently. Now, let's connect and verify. So we toggle the new VPN profile on to connect. And now it shows we're connected. To verify, visit WayaVPN.net or any IP check site. You should now see your location as Canada. And indeed, we do see that. It's really that simple. And on many platforms, it's even simpler. WayaVPN gives you real residential routes through encryption and global access. Exactly what serious users need. If you haven't already, get started at www.wayavpn.com. And if you have concerns with any specific platform or device, feel free to raise a ticket on the wayavpn.com website to get assistance. See you in the next video.